So it's February 2024 and you're looking for the easiest way on your Android TV, how you can fully unlock your device, how you can fully load your device, how you can jailbreak your device, all these different terms, but essentially how can you get applications from unofficial third-party sources and through the applications get access to your favorite movies, TV shows, live TV, pay-per-view, sports. All of that can be done just by following the process in this video. Now I'm doing my demonstration on the G1 Kinhank Android TV box, which I've been playing with recently. Seems very snappy, has 4 gigs RAM, has 32 gig storage, has Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, lots of great features. So the first thing I need to do on this device is just open up the Play Store. Let's click on that. I can now just search for the word downloader. Let's type that in. Here we are. Let's click on that. And this is a great browser you can use on Android TV, also available on your Amazon devices. And through this browser, you can download applications and install them. Okay, let's click on open. Now that we have the browser working, I can now click on allow, click on OK. Now, where do we find these applications? Well, a great website owned by another YouTuber, Kevin Portillas, is one of the best places, very safe, has all of your favorite third-party applications, media players, tools, utilities. One website has all of them. Now, to access his website, I can now just type in the short code 874521. Let's type that in. So once again, 874521 and click on go. Give that a second. And I will leave Kevin's channel in the video description and pinned comment. So definitely do go ahead and support him. We can see the site's been updated just in February. So very, very new, latest updates. I can now scroll down. And we now see the list of applications. So we have application stores. We have media players. We have, I'm not going to scroll to the bottom because there are lots of applications that may be unsafe or unsuitable for YouTube, but I'm sure if you browse through the list, you'll definitely be able to find the applications you are looking for. So for a quick test, let's say I'm looking for a media player. Let's go for this AM player. It says it's ad-free. Let's click on that. And this is where we'll have to now enable a setting to enable side loading on our device, because for you to install applications through downloader, we have to grant permissions on our device. So if you give that a second, and there is a prompt there. So we basically need to allow downloader so we can actually install applications through it. So I can click on settings now, and we can see now here are the applications on my device. I can click on downloader where it says not allowed. Now it now says allowed. So from this point forward, any application that I download through downloader, I'll be able to install it. So I can now press back. If I go back to Kevin's website, let's try that again. So clicking on that. I can now click on install. And we can see this time the install completes without any error. And in a few seconds, the application has now been installed. I can click on open. And we're now looking at the latest version of the AMP or AMP player. That's working fine. Let's go back to his website. And there you have it, guys. So I'm sure once you go through this list here, you will find all of your favorite applications. All of them are in there. The only thing I would suggest that if you are going to be using certain applications to access certain content, it is always advisable to use a VPN. Right now for the month of February, there is a very special offer just for the next 2 weeks where you can get a real special prize if you are looking for the best way to stay safe online, to hide your online activities, to change your IP address, to make sure that nobody, your ISP, anybody online can monitor you or track you. You can get this really fast, really good VPN from IPVanish at just $2.99 a month. It does help support the channel, so if you want to do that, many thanks. Do have a look in the video description and pinned comment. You can take advantage of this special offer where you get 2 years plus an extra 3 months free. So really worthwhile checking out if you are in the market for a VPN. If not, then don't worry. Hope you guys have a great weekend and I'll hopefully catch up with you guys real soon. Thanks.